Today, let's talk about something simple yet crucial for safe driving: vehicular mirrors. Many drivers take them for granted, but properly using your mirrors can mean the difference between a smooth, safe journey and a dangerous situation on the road. The main purpose of your mirrors is awareness. They give you a clear view of what's happening behind and around your vehicle. This helps you monitor traffic behind you, change lanes safely by checking blind spots, reverse and park accurately, and react quickly to potential hazards. Knowing when to check your mirrors is just as important as having them. Here are the key moments. Before starting your car, check if your mirrors are properly adjusted. Before changing lanes, always check your side and rear view mirrors, then do a quick blind spot check. Before turning or merging, be aware of any vehicles coming from behind or the side. Before braking or slowing down, this ensures no one is following too closely. While reversing or parking, constantly check your side and rear view mirrors for obstacles. A good habit is the mirror signal maneuver routine. Always check your mirrors before signaling and making any move. Before driving,